I'm Franziska Kirstein. I'm Senior Scientific Domain Lead at Blue Ocean Robotics. Blue Ocean Robotics creates and commercializes robots, and that also means that we're using artificial intelligence, and we will more and more use artificial intelligence in our robots. So that brought me to the NGI Explorers program to see how we can use artificial intelligence and what the ethical considerations around that are in the future when we make use of that. My project is about the PTR robot, the Patient Transfer Rehabilitation Robot. The robot is transferring patients in a safe manner, and it can be used for rehabilitation in a hospital setting as well. And in the future, we want to equip it with artificial intelligence so that the robot, for example, can support the patient more in the rehabilitation program. As I said, we are really good at getting end users in the process, and specifically this robot has been developed together with a hospital here in Denmark, but we of course want to get it to the market. We see huge potential in the US to apply it there, and probably the US market is different. So this collaboration between the US and Denmark or Europe is very important to us to find out is there something else that we need to take care of in terms of the users, also considering ethical requirements and artificial intelligence. That is different from Europe and Denmark specifically. My project is very much about the impact on society because it includes all the ethics around that, and it's very often the case that law and regulations are a little bit behind robotics companies or artificial intelligence companies and technologies in general. So I think including the ethics into these regulations will be a huge next step, and for this will also have a really big impact on society, on everyone that has to do with the robot, how the robot is changing the workflow, the organization, the impact the robot has on the patient and the healthcare professional. But also how it will change the way we work in healthcare, because we know the demographic change, our society is getting older, and with that we need to find new ways, new regulations, but also the ethical issues around it. And I hope that my project will contribute to that.